As you can see, this guy's trying to lag switch me because he has to struggle on Black Ops 2 GBs. So he's making me 2-bar. It seems lagging all over the screen, so it's highly unplayable right now. Seems lagging all over the screen, 2-barring. Obviously this is not natural host, so he's 4-barring. Probably drop down again, yep. So obviously he'll wait till I push him and then I'll start lagging again. But then you see when I start to push him, I start lagging again. See that? See that lag? Yep. See he's trying to lag switch me. Yep, he's trying to make me lag. There you go, so it's obviously unplayable. This is a push him as a die due to lag, so let's show you. So as you can see, I'll go to 4-bar from 2-bar and me, because obviously see that I'm 1-barring as well. 1-bar, 2-bar. See how laggy the screen is. I can't do anything, he's trying to make me lag switch. So yeah, see him 2-barring. He's obviously trying to lag switch for the win. Admin should know that obviously lag switching and booting is not allowed, 10-year ban. And then see obviously put me back on 3 or 4-bar now, not 2-bar. This is not my fault of connection at all. There's obviously some easy XP, but you just struggle. So as you can see, I still kill him even though I'm 2-barring, so he's trying to lag switch me. As you can see how laggy the game is. I'm 1-barring now, so he's obviously going to give up. He's just going to make me 1-bar all the way to the win. Yep. Still making me 2-bar. See that? Lagging a lot. Yep, there you go, I'm just skipping all over. As you can see, just beating 4-2 lag switching. Yep, there you go, he's dashboarding. Fucking shit, kid. There you go. The connection toast has been lost. Yep, go my friends. There you go, he's a fucking shitter. Put his status offline, try to lag switch me. Offline for 7 minutes, he's hiding. 4-2 win, easy XP. You're fucking shit, you lag switching cunt.